Linda G, you gonna stop? Nope. Thanks, Linda. You can stop too. Here we go. It's the invisible stop sign. Tell you everybody's gonna fucking stop for this. Nope. Turning headlights, you dummy. See this car coming, that's why you have to stop. And direct to the left lane. Headlights. Hey, you're not lost. I think that was a cutoff, wasn't it? There's Trail Turd. If you hello, Jesus. It's so fucking far to go, huh, shitbag? That's... This is the one way. That was an illegal left turn. And you're a fucking moron. Okay. Was that? That was a red light runner. And she's gonna sit there like a moron? Like a moron. She is a moron. What the hell is beeping back there? Oh, there she goes again. I was nowhere near cutting you off. You don't have to be that close. Thank you. What are you doing? Are you exit diving? I think you're exit diving. Exit diving.
It's damp on Sunday. Some rain around. High 52. Mostly sunny for Monday. Windy. High 50.
Down your phone, put down your phone, put down your phone.
Now let's take a look at the latest. Massachusetts.
Hey.
Secondary education reporting
Christ.
241 more cases for the previous week. That's an increase.
See, maybe if you put down your phone, Mr. Martinetti Companies, you would have seen that van coming into your lane. They don't bite, they keep things loose, they keep things... Don't do it again. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and bright. Yep. Nice sturdy roof rack he's got, by the way. Here's a blinker, just once. Close your door. Nice collection of crap on your dashboard, too. The hell are you doing? Lady, you're going out the indoor. Bus, get off my butthole. Don't hit me, bus. Thank you. Stop, Super Juice. Stop, bus. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Don't hit me, motherfucker. Great. Now I can't see, lady, because you're blocking my view. Seriously, I'm not going to try to go right from the... What the fuck are you doing? Are we holding you up, princess? She went right from the straight lane. Nope, big truck not supposed to be in that lane. Big truck from Shaw's. Lady, get off my ass. Psycho Bond. Psycho Bun and Jackie O glasses. Don't cut me off. Oh, two trucks in the left lane. They're not supposed to be there. And exit dive, you. Me! Moron. Thought maybe he was waiting for a parking space. No, he's just an asshole. Couldn't park down here. Of course, you could be like this douchebag and park in the fire lane. What the fuck is wrong with you? Whoa, nice cut. Nice cut off. don't know where the hell you're going. I smell exit dive coming, right? TMB TW2. And there's the exit dive as I felt, as I predicted. And stuff. Oh, I'm shocked. Oh, fucking fuck off, geese. Yeah, fuck you too. Honk honk. If I can't go to Canada, can you people take your fucking geese back?